61, Squirt 67, 1548. Squirt 67, you're not going to be able to access northbound the presidential motorcades if they're coming through there. You'll have to access southbound and cut across the grass where we normally do. Copy that, thank you.
Black van?
1301 Peterson Street, 1301 Peterson Street. Bridge your apartment, apartment 211. Speakers, that's for medical one.
Oh, did you see? I looked at it, it was like sardines.
No.
Lionel, RW, Rob, Mitch, all the juniors. They called for the bariatric unit, 67. They're coming from Woodland, so we'll be there way before that.
Sorry, I'll take the 7 days.
67. John F. Kennedy Drive. Popping up. Any concerns? We on that? Yeah, hold on, we got school zone. We don't want to put these kids into the traffic. Let the light change. You know what I mean? See? Let the traffic flow.
Chuck up 25, Jerry.
Ready, aim, fire.